Okay, so we're going to do another lesson on adding fractions. I already wrote these out, steps for adding fractions. Take a moment and look those over real quick. We're going to try some out. Step 1 is to write the problem going up and down. I'm going to actually fold my paper back just a bit to help get everything on the screen. Okay, so I have the problem 2/3 plus 1/4. It's really hard to do the problem if it's going this direction. So my step 1 is always to write it going up and down. 2/3 plus 1/4. So here, this actually might work to go like this. So step 1 is complete. I wrote this going up and down. Check. Uh-oh. I do not need my virus protection right now. Step 2 is to find a common denominator using LCM. So LCM is least common multiple. So I have a multiplication chart here. I'm going to show you an alternate way of doing this. My denominators are 3 and 4. So I'm going to the 3 section and the 4 section and trying to find a match. Zeros won't work. So I have a 4 and a 3, nothing, still no, no. I found a match, 12. My bottom denominator should be a 12. So I'm going to use this and this right here. So I will go over here and I know I need to make my bottom a 12. How do I get 3 to change into a 12? I can do that by multiplying by 4. So I'm going to put a multiply and a 4 there. But the rule is whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top. So I'm going to write that. Now I do my 4. My thing here, my multiplication chart says to get to a 4 to turn into 12, I need to multiply by 3. So I'm going to write that, 3. Whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. All right, perfect. Step 3, multiply to make the equivalent fractions. I already did the bottoms, now I just do the tops. 2 times 4 is 8. 1 times 3 is 3. The equivalent fractions are these, just in case you're curious. 2/3 is equivalent to 8/12. That means they're the same amount. And 1/4 is equivalent to 3/12. Same amount. Step 4, circle the numerator. Numerators are on top. This is an extra step that just helps you focus in on what you need to be doing. Step 5, add the numerators. 8 plus 3 is 11. Keep the bottom the same. The bottom is the 12. Okay? Simplify if needed. In this case, I do not need it. Usually, if your answer is 1 different from the bottom, so 11 is just 1 away from 12, you really can't go any smaller. And that's my final answer. I'll be back with an even harder video, or a video that shows an even harder fraction.